of us, it's slightly raining. We today are going on a wine tour with the Minibikes.
So excited! So we're gonna go straight up Blood Mountain up to Neal's Gap. We're gonna go over the mountain, then we're gonna take a left onto Wolf Pen, which is 180. That's gonna dead end us into 60. So our first stop off of 60 is gonna be Wolf Mountain Winery, one of our favorites. And I think we've taken you there before, so yeah. Then we're gonna go a little ways down, and the second one is a meadery, and it is, what was it called again? Etowah. Why can't I never remember that one? So Etowah Meadery, I've passed it a few times and always wanted to stop in, but just never worked out. So I'm very excited. Yep. And then the third one is Cavender. So that one's a little bit off our path, but we'll be finishing it off there, and it got great reviews, so I'm really excited to see what that one has to offer. Let's do it.
Yeah, awesome. Let's go. Just a tad wet. So, par for the course, it's raining again. I think this is my 5th time being caught in the rain. So we should have a fun time today on the minis.
Yeah, I think the only time I've ridden this summer that I did not get caught in the rain was with you last weekend at the Gap. Yeah, I've gotten dumped on every time.
I know, right?
Yep.
So Riverside Tavern, this is our go-to place when we're up in the mountains going to Blood. It's at the bottom of Blood. We meet here a lot before we go and ride, and we stop here a lot to eat. So highly recommend this place. It has great food. Love the staff. They're always very kind and friendly and welcoming. And as you can see, there's motorcycle parking right up front. So it's a great place to be and a great place to stop. We're at the top of Blood Mountain, normal hangout. As you can tell, it is raining, our bikes are wet, but we're hardcore. We are still out riding, the only ones.
That was probably the slowest I've ever gone up Blood, though. I have the little tires, and they're all like hard. I'm like, yeah, it's still fun.
It's definitely fun.
It's gonna do a little video from up there. Yeah.
So
I wish I had a pin lock in my helmet today, though, because I'm fogging up. So there was a few times I couldn't quite see.
yeah, no, actually, me too. I forgot. Like, I meant to put the pin lock in for last weekend, and I completely forgot. And then today is when I really need it.
Yeah, major failure on our behalf.
I always forget about this overlook.
Mm-hmm. It's gotten very overgrown now, but wow, yeah. Obviously, you can't see much today.
which is where all the motorcycles always stop. 2 wheels. I mean, who would have thought? So we made it to 2 wheels.
Yep.
Such as we're all like wet rags.
Yeah, we got dumped on Wolf Pen, which, you know, it was unfortunate, but it was also very interesting. And I'm covered in mud because I was behind her, so I didn't realize I just got slung with mud.
Not hot though. So
Yeah.
it's a plus.
Yeah, no, it wasn't hot, but like I'm swimming. I'm just drenched.
Yeah, you could wring out our underwear right now.
for sure.
It's pretty rough, but it's an adventure, and we've committed, and we're gonna embrace it today. So
Yeah, we're determined. But I can't believe it's sunny right now. It's amazing.
Maybe it'll dry up.
Yes.
maybe. Yeah.
Hopefully we'll dry out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to find like a fan and like
Straddle it.
Totally. So we're at Wolf Mountain, one of our first stops. But you can hear the thunder coming.
Yeah, lightning on the way up. Yeah, but we did not get dumped on this time.
We didn't.
And we actually got to go at a pretty decent pace once we got around those cars.
Yeah, I'm still wet though.
Yeah. Oh, I'm still definitely wet.
Yeah. But this is a beautiful vineyard here, so.
Love this.
Yeah, Wolf is one of my favorites. Personally, I think it has some of the best wine. So this is, and the facilities are beautiful. So
They are.
yeah, it's lovely here.
Yeah, let's check it out. So pretty here.
It is. It is influencers out in the wild. It is nice. It's cool. Just a tad bit of mud here. Just a little bit.
Mud butt.
We are on the hunt for Sarah and Anna, closing in. At the vineyards. We got him. Oh yeah, there are cows up there.
Yeah. This cool fire pit. Rent a cabin here. And then the winery is back there. This awesome patio. It's beautiful here.
So what winery are we at? We're at Frogtown.
Frogtown. It's so pretty. Every single winery's been really beautiful.
Frogtown holds a special place in my heart because when Steve got his first motorcycle and started riding, and I was riding to-up with him everywhere for like the first 2 years, he would take me up here and we would have brunch and glass of wine, and I just remember like riding all of these mountains here with him up, and it just was so amazing to me. Like I have such fond memories of it.
Cool.
Guys, they think they're gonna get food. They think I got food. Look at them all swarming. Woo! Big ones.
You may have noticed we added a stop. This is Frogtown Winery. To recap our adventures, this is Neil's Gap, or Blood Mountain. Next stop was Two Wheels after we had been riding in the rain. We stopped at Wolf Mountain, Etowah Meadery, Cavender Creek Vineyards, and Frogtown Winery. And of course, we documented our visit to the vineyards. Although wet, we had a terrific adventure. If you're interested in the route, continue watching as we populate the journey in maps.